Okay, so we've come to our first and only OCW question in this paper, I believe. So in this question, you're assessed on the quality of your organization, communication, and accuracy of writing. A solid metal cuboid has dimensions 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and 20 centimeters. The cuboid is melted down. The metal is used to make solid cubes, each of sides 3 centimeters. How many complete cubes will be made using that very much? So you must show all your working. So this is an OCW question, so we do need to kind of show our work. So the dimensions are 4 by 5 by 20. So I'm actually going to draw a more compact version down here just so I can work with it a bit more. So here's my cuboid. It's 4 by 5 by 20. So 4 by 5 by 20. And this was in centimeters. Okay, so let's work out the total volume. So the volume of a cuboid, similar theory of a rectangle, it's the 2 dimensions times together. Now we have the 3 dimensions, so we times them together. So it would be 4 times 5 times 20. So this would be 20 times 20, so it is 400. And because it's volume, it's a 3-dimensional unit, so it's centimeters cubed. Okay, so there's a volume of 400 centimeters cubed in total. So now what we want to say, just because it's an OCW question, volume of cuboid equals 400 centimeters cubed. And we want to be concise. So now we want to look at the cubes we can make. So the metal is used to make solid cubes, each with sides 3 centimeters. So here is a cube with side 3 centimeters. So it's 3 by 3 by 3. So let's find the volume of this cube. So it would be 3 times 3 times 3, so 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 again is 27. And again, it's centimeters cubed because it's volume. Okay, so we have a total volume of 400, and each cube uses a volume of 27. So the calculation we're going to do now is number of cubes that will fit in the cuboid. And we do this by working out how many 27s we can fit into 400. And by another name, that is simply just 400 divided by 27. So this won't go nicely, but again, it's a calculator paper. So what we do, 400 divided by 27 on your calculator. And I get that to be 14.814 recurring. So the question asks, how many complete cubes will be made? So we get 14 and a good bit, but the answer to the question is 14 cubes. So therefore, 14 complete cubes. Okay, so let's just go back over this a sec. So this is an OCW question. So notice how at every point I've identified that this is what this is. I've just written 400 with no unit. I've identified it's this, so that's my marks for these. And I've also given the correct unit, that's the other mark. So what it is, what the unit is. Same thing again. What is this 27? It's the volume of the cube in centimeters cubed. Then I've identified the number of cubes that will fit the cuboid, which is 400 divided by 27, which is 14.814 recurring. And I've even given the unit, it is cubes. So therefore, it is 14 complete cubes.